Hello! Welcome to our short documentary about Black Friday, one of the biggest shopping events of the year. Today, we'll learn about how it started, why it's important, and why people get so excited about it. Black Friday happens the day after Thanksgiving and has been a part of American culture for a long time. It began in the 19th century when factory managers noticed many workers took a day off after Thanksgiving, creating a long weekend. Over time, Black Friday changed its meaning and now marks the official start of the holiday shopping season. People love Black Friday because stores offer amazing discounts and deals. They even open early, sometimes even at midnight, to attract lots of shoppers. People get really excited about the great deals, and sometimes it gets crazy with long lines and crowded stores. Nowadays, Black Friday has also moved online, with many websites offering fantastic deals so people can shop from home. But there have been some problems too. Black Friday can sometimes be intense, with people rushing and pushing to get the best deals, leading to accidents and fights. Thankfully, some stores and people are trying to be more responsible. They encourage employees to spend Thanksgiving with their families and promote a mindful approach to shopping. In conclusion, Black Friday is not just about shopping. It's a special part of our culture that starts the holiday season. While it's fun to find bargains, let's also remember to be thoughtful and considerate of others and the environment. Thank you for watching our documentary on Black Friday. We hope you have a joyful and responsible holiday season. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Happy holidays!